want to show you how to play Ever and Ever, Forever and Ever, You'll Be the One by Roussos. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com and I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of B flat, or we're in the key of E flat, and we start on a B flat. Triplets. B flat, 3 of them. C, C, C. 3 Ds, 3 E flats to an A flat. So it'll sound like A flat, E flat, D, C, A flat, E flat, D, C, B flat, G, D, C. Then we do it again. Then we got a chorus sound that goes with the B flat. So it's going to be B flat, A flat, G, A flat, B flat, A flat, G, B flat, A flat, E flat, up to the C, B flat, A, B flat, C, B flat, A, C, C, D, C, B flat. And I have a couple of glissandos in there. We'll start with the glissando, and all I'm going to do is hit the black notes. So you can hit it with your hand or with your thumb. But we're going to come down with the black notes and go into the introduction. Now you've got your right hand melody, but I am going to change octaves on that. They'll start with, and then the next time I'll come in this octave. So we may change octaves a little bit. But in the left hand, we're going to have this, at the beginning we're having E flat, B flat, open fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, open fifth, E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat. Then we're going to go to a B flat with a D and an F. So the B flat chord is B flat, D, F. And then we're going to come back with a B flat and add the 7th to D, F, A flat, 1, 3, 5, 7. There's your 7th, your A flat. So we'll do that. So, and your right hand for the intro, we're going to have B flat, C, E flat, F, B flat, C, E flat, F, C, E flat, F, G, F, B flat, G, F, B flat. To put them together, it's so there you're going to have the little finger on that so you can hit if you want that 7th chord. And then I stay on that octave. Just do it again, but up an octave. And then we come all the way down here for the melody. Okay, so we'll start with a glissando. So just come down on those black notes and end right here where you can pick up with that B flat, but we'll bring the glissando down. So we'll bring the glissando down and hit the E flat and then start the melody right there. Down here to now what you're going to do in the left hand, you're going to go E flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, E flat, E flat. Now you don't have to, you can just go back and forth. But it sounds cool if you can get that with the triplets. Da 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 dee da 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 dee da 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 dee dee da da dee. So we'll get that and we'll go to So we'll go to a B flat in there too. But let's go slowly with it so you can see it. Now there we've got an E flat chord. Add the 6th, add the 7th, E flat, and then we're going to an F minor chord. F minor is F, A flat, C, so we go F minor, here you go F, F, C, C, B flat, B. Then we got a D flat, B flat chord with the D in the melody. We add the C and go back to the F minor, back to the B flat, back to the E flat. So if you put that in sequence, we're going to have E flat, E flat, F, B flat, F, B flat, back to the E flat. Now let's go and let's take it slowly still. We just end with that E flat, we just keep it. And then we go up an octave. Now you can take either octave here, but I like to go up with this octave on that second string. And what we're going to have there is E flat, and B flat to the A flat. That's an A flat chord, A flat, C, E flat. But we're just going to play the open fifth, A flat, then to the F minor chord, F. It's actually going to be an F major chord this time because we've got an A in there, not an A flat. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a B flat and walk up the arpeggio for the 7th chord and hit that 7th with the D. And then repeat that. Just slow it down and play a 7th chord in the right hand. So you got 2 7th chords. Lift off it and start again. So let's play that second strain together. To the F. Hold it, lift off it, and we start again. Now here I'm just going to play one B flat and then I'm going to hit a glissando. And I'm going to glissando down to this B flat. So I'm going to take it up an octave, but I'm going to put a gliss in there. We're going into F major, we're going from E flat to F. So to do that, I'm going to change this E flat, going to go chromatically to an E and make that a part of the C chord, C7 chord. That C7 will lead me to the F chord. That C7 is the 5-7 for F, so if I get there, then I can go right into F and it'll sound smooth. So we got... And then what I'm going to do is put a long glissando. So we come all the way down on the white notes this time, instead of the black notes, and we'll end it right here on this C to start that in the key of F. Now in the key of F, you're going to have F, C, F, C, G, D, C, G, C, F. It's just like the E flat, only everything's up a note. Instead of E flat and F and B flat, we're going to go F, C, G, and C. Now you can take it up an octave here, but I don't like to because I'd like to take it up an octave on the tag ending. So the melody in the key of F, is going to be C, D, E, F, B flat, F, E, D, B flat, F, E, D, C, A, E, D. Do it again. Then take this up an octave. Then hit octaves up there. And then hit an arpeggio, F arpeggio, F, C, F, A, C, F, A, C, F. Hold it, and then roll the chord. So it'll sound like this at the end. There you have it, ever and forever you'll be the one. Demis Roussos. I hope you enjoy it.